coming up on KEZI 9 News at 4.
Good afternoon, I'm Matt Templeman. With little warning, the nonprofit Whitebird Clinic will be closing its front rooms department due to budget struggles. The service is lost for low-income individuals and what must happen to keep it open at 4. While Western Oregon dodged heavy damage from the bomb cyclone, the Seattle area did not. 500,000 people without power, and some describe it as looking like a war zone. And Chief Meteorologist Holden LeCroy will have your storm track on our forecast at 4 o'clock.